Corporate tax in Hong Kong. Hong Kong has a two-tier profit tax regime. The two-tier profit tax regime in Hong Kong applies to both corporations and unincorporated businesses. By lowering a tax rate for the first 2 million of assessable profits. For corporations, the first 2 million Hong Kong dollars of profits will be taxed at 8.25%, and profits above 2 million of Hong Kong dollars will be taxed at 16.5%. For unincorporated businesses, the first 2 million Hong Kong dollars of profits is taxed at 7.5%, and the above profits are taxed at 15%. However, only one entity within a group of connected entities can enjoy a two-tier profit tax regime. For this purpose, the group must identify which entity will benefit from the two-tier tax regime and make election accordingly. In addition, it is worth mentioning that Hong Kong follows a territorial principle of taxation. However, it is worth mentioning that Hong Kong follows a territorial system of taxation. In other words, the tax will be levied on profits arising from carrying on trade, profession or business in Hong Kong. The profit tax is not applicable to profits sourced outside of Hong Kong. Hence, if you carry on business in Hong Kong but your profits are derived from somewhere else, you are not liable to pay a profit tax, irrespective of whether the profits have been remitted to Hong Kong. The territorial principle of taxation doesn't distinguish between residents and non-residents. You may be a resident of Hong Kong, but your profits are derived from elsewhere, and you are not liable to pay any tax on those profits. Likewise, if a non-resident derives profits from Hong Kong, he will be liable to pay a profit tax in Hong Kong.